Hi everyone, this is Celtic Grandma, and let's see, today we are doing recalls, so should be exciting. This is actually take two. This is the first time I'm using my laptop, so hopefully it'll go through this time. Okay, so we have snacks and sandwiches. Snack packs and sandwiches recalled due to potential salmonella contamination. So, AG Specialty Foods Incorporated issues voluntary recall of food products containing Jif and Smucker's peanut butter due to the potential salmonella contamination. Okay. AG Specialty Foods Incorporated of Happy Valley, Oregon is initiating a voluntary recall of perishable products, the Goods Snack Pack, Weeby, PB, and Jammin' Snack Box, peanut butter strawberry jam, old-fashioned white bread, and peanut butter strawberry jam white bread containing the Jif creamy peanut butter. Jif creamy peanut butter to go 1. 5-ounce cups, Jif natural creamy peanut butter to go 1.5-ounce cups, and Smucker's peanut butter 3 3/4 of an ounce cups due to a potential salmonella contamination. Okay, and salmonella is an organism which can cause serious and sometimes fatal infections in young children, frail or elderly people, and others with weakened immune systems. Healthy people infected with salmonella often experience fever, diarrhea, which may be bloody, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. In rare circumstances, infection with salmonella can result in the organism getting into the bloodstream and producing more severe illnesses such as arterial infections, for example, infected aneurysms, endocarditis, and arthritis. The recalled products have 7 to 14 days shelf life and were distributed in Oregon and Washington to distributors, retailers, and food service companies from 5/11/2022 through 5/23/2022 with lot codes from 129 to 141. These are produced by product, pack size, UPC, used by dates, range, included states. And here are the products. AG Specialty Foods, a good snack pack, 8-ounce, UPC 84015241145 411 with the dates 05/16/2022 2/06 June 3rd, 2022, and that's Oregon and Washington. AG Specialty Foods peanut butter strawberry jam old-fashioned white bread, 6.5 ounce. UPC is 84015242491. Dates May 6, 2022 to June 3rd, Oregon and Washington. Sorry about that. Okay, AG Specialty Foods peanut butter strawberry jam white bread, 6.5 ounce. UPC is 40152474096 with the dates 0 of May 16, 2022 to June 3rd, 2022, Oregon, Washington. And AG Specialty Foods Weeby PB and Jam and Snack Box 6 ounce. UPC code 840152411404 with the dates May 16th, 2022 to June 3rd, 2022, Oregon, Washington. No illnesses or deaths have been reported in consumption with AG Specialty Foods products to date. In addition, if you may have further distributed this product, please identify your customers and notify them at once of this product recall. Inform them not to consume the products and destroy or discard them. So they're not asking people to return them, but to throw them away. So AG Specialty Foods Incorporated initiated this recall because it contains the Jif Creamy Peanut Butter and Jif Creamy Peanut Butter to go 1.5 ounce cups, Jif Natural to go 1.5 ounce cups, and Smucker's Peanut Butter 3/4 ounce cups. They are recalled by J.M. Smucker Company because of an outbreak of infections from Salmonella. This recall is being made with the knowledge of the Oregon Department of Agriculture and the Food and Drug Administration. Anyone who has the recalled products produced by AG Specialty Foods in their possession should not consume and should discard the affected products, including the Jif Creamy Peanut Butter to go 1.5 ounce cups, Jif Natural Creamy Peanut Butter to go 1.5 ounce cups, and Smucker's Peanut Butter 3/4 ounce cups. Consumers with any questions may contact the company at area code 503-305-6100, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, what else do we got here? Bacon. Bacon products, possible foreign matter contamination. Smithfield Packaged Meats Corporation recalls a ready-to-eat bacon topping products due to possible foreign matter contamination. This is a FSIS announcement. And here's just an editor's note for May 26, 2022. Additional products have been identified containing the bacon toppings. Please view the additional products with view labels below. Consumers should check back frequently as additional products could be added. Washington, May 20th, 2022. Smithfield Packaged Meats Corporation, a Sioux Center, Iowa establishment, is recalling approximately 185,610 pounds of ready-to-eat bacon topping products that may be contaminated with extraneous materials, specifically metal, the U. Not sure what that means, but. So the Department of Agriculture's Food Safety and Inspection Services. That's what FSIS stands for. And they expect there to be additional products containing the bacon and urges consumers to check back frequently to view updated lists and labels. The ready-to-eat item was produced on various dates between February 21st, 2022 to February 23rd, 2022 and March 3rd, 2022 to March 5th, 2022. The following product is subject to recall. 5-pound packages containing Golden Crisp Patrick Cudahy pre-cooked bacon topping. SKU number 43200-12002 with lot codes 2054, 2062, and 2063. 5-pound packages containing Smithfield pre-cooked bacon topping. SKU number 43200-12003 with lot codes 2063 and 2064. 5-pound packages containing Golden Crisp Patrick Cudahy fully cooked bacon topping, Applewood smoked. SKU number 43200-12296 with lot codes 2053 and 2062. 5-pound packages containing Smithfield fully cooked bacon topping. SKU number 43200-12663 with lot code 2064. And finally, 5-pound packages containing Members Mark fully cooked bacon crumbles. SKU number 787-4224-0923 with best if used by date of 2022 11-18. The product subject to recall bear establishes number EST 27384 inside the USDA mark of inspection. These items were shipped to distributors and retail locations nationwide. Some of the bacon products may have been used to produce other products. The problem was discovered after the firm received a customer complaint reporting they found metal in the ready-to-eat bacon topping product. There have been no confirmed reports of injuries or adverse reactions due to consumption of these products. Anyone concerned about injury or illness should contact a healthcare provider. FSIS is concerned that some product may be in consumers' refrigerators or found at distributor and retail locations. Customers who have purchased these products are urged not to consume them. Additionally, distributors and retailers are urged not to sell these products. These products should be thrown away or returned to the place of purchase. FSIS routinely conducts recall effectiveness checks to verify recalling firms notify their customers of the recall and that steps are taken to make certain that the product is no longer available to consumers. When available, the retail distribution list will be posted on the FSIS website at www.fsis.usda.gov/recalls. Consumers with questions about the recall can contact Smithfield Consumer Affairs Hotline at 1-844-342-2596. Members of the media with questions about the recall can contact Jim Monroe, Vice President of Corporate Affairs, Smithfield Packaged Meats Corporation at area code 757-365-3559 or jmonroe@smithfield.com. And there's more information with some hotlines that you can call. I will go ahead and link this down below in the description. So if you have any questions, you can call them. There's a lot of recalls. So I'll just do one more. Cups recalled due to burn hazard. Modern Glass Company recalls coffee cups due to burn hazard. It's a 15-ounce coffee cup. The coffee cup can crack or break when hot water is poured into it, posing a burn hazard. Remedy is a refund Recall date is May 19th, 2022. There's about 2,500 units that were sold. Modern Glass Company, you can contact them at 1-800-645-5131 from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. And there's some emails that you can email them as well if you don't want to call them. Like I said, I'll go ahead and link this down in the description. This recall involves Modern Glass Company 15-ounce coffee cups. The ceramic cup are black on the outside and white on the inside. They measure about 4 inches high and 3 inches wide. Model number 71500-white is printed on the bottom of the cups. They were sold as promotional products with company names printed on them. And the remedy for these, consumers should immediately stop using the recalled coffee cups and contact Modern Glass Company to receive a full refund. Modern Glass Company has contacted all known purchasers directly. Incidents and injuries. Modern Glass Company has received 6 reports of cups cracking after pouring hot water into them. No injuries have been reported. And these were sold at www.glassamerica.com as promotional products with company names on them from February 2021 through February 2022. And let's see, the other recalls, we have ice cream, fish recall, allergy alert, recall dip products, ham, possible processing deviation, pasta products, recalled candy recall, possible presence of metal fragments, jam recalled, undeclared allergen, recalled chicken, misbranding, undeclared allergen. I will go ahead and link this down in the description. Thanks, everybody. Take care of this Celtic grandma. Have a great day.